This video is about step-by-step explanation how to create your AI salesperson. Have you ever thought about tireless, unstoppable salesperson which can work 24/7? Or if you're a small business owner, I can guess that that person is you. So what to do to clone yourself and to sell in 2024 more than ever? Well, I've made that dream a reality and I've even given it my own voice without writing a single line of code, just using these three tools. Want to know how? Let's dive in. So the first tool I've used to build my sales representative is Stepura, a platform not just for building AI chatbots, but also for voice agents. Here I'll craft a voice agent that interacts with my customers, utilizing information which I give. The second tool is 11 Labs for clone your voice. I may experiment with different settings to set up my voice. Maybe a touch of American English without a foreign accent could be a great idea. And lastly is Twilio, an essential tool for interacting messaging function into applications. So kind of that all of database of your potential prospect customers with this AI salesperson. By the way, you can get a free guide with AI tools with all of the links which I mentioned in today's video as well, and more than 30 AI prompts to help you to create a great workflow in your startup or online business. So please feel free to download it below. But enough talking, let's start building. Now, in 11 Labs, you can create your clone voice, right? So I mentioned it in the second tool, but let's start with that because I really want to show you how easy it is, how cheap it is, because to be honest, I created previously 2 or 3 videos with AI on Stepura for $1, but the outcome, it was like I test a lot, I play a lot with the tools, and in the end I have like 3 ready videos. The first initial step in 11 Labs is actually to sign in and navigate to the Voice Lab tab. Here I will create a new voice cloning instance. After uploading a clear voice clips within the size limit, it's actually 10 megabytes. It's very small, right? I know it's annoying. But try to create just like a bad quality video with a good quality audio, recording yourself up to 3-5 seconds with different tone, with different voice, to be sad, to be happy, you know, all of that playing with your voice in order your AI will sound as more natural as it possible, as well as having like some interactions, you know, with the voice, because it will be like more robotic as you expect, as well as you need to play a little with all of the settings. After uploading that, I'll proceed with much customization to ensure that it's very close to my official voice. Testing it, I prepared a short text, but as you will notice, it will sound a bit robotic, so you need to play with it too, but the result will be nice, I promise you. So the next step is to involve 11 Labs voice, which we clone, into SenseFlow. I'll need to access the API key and voice ID from 11 Labs. It's very simple, you just copy paste it to the NAS application to connect it within SenseFlow. Setting up an assistant configured for outbound sales in SenseFlow is very important. This includes customizing company details and crafting tailored outbound sales messages, which is aligned with your customer potential objections, and so you should know your customers, right? And only you know your business the best, right? You of course can ask some help in ChatGPT. And the next step, I told you it's very easy, it's only 3 steps, it's like a super short video. Now let's dive into Twilio. Connecting Twilio to SenseFlow actually means that your account SID and authorization token from your Twilio account to establish the link between both platforms. So you kind of need to import the content into SenseFlow, but you need to make sure that you are using the right templates for your data. So please feel free to download CSV format of dataset, which should be perfect one, and then adjust your current dataset to this one. And then of course, please test it before launching. It's very crucial because once you've tested, you will realize that something is working not appropriate. That's why you need to make sure that everything is right, everything is correct, and then you're good to go. And voila, your AI sales assistant is running 24/7 for non-technical entrepreneurs, but even for technical entrepreneurs. I think it's very crucial because no matter what you are building, the very important part, I think the most important part of your business, it will be sales, right? So good luck in 2024 and see ya in the next videos.